Hey, what's going on, guys? The one and only Antmatic here, and today we'll be changing our bulbs in our headlights and converting them over to LEDs. And I'll be showing you guys how to get to the headlights and accessing all the bulbs in the easiest way possible. So guys, this is with the lights off right now. I'm slowly moving up, but that's the lights off. We got the fogs on, and then I got the regular lights on. As the camera is shown, it's shown in the camera, you really can't even see anything. It looks like just a regular street light over there. And then this is with the high beams on. And looking in from the car, there's not a lot of light coming through these lights, so I definitely need that upgrade. So let's get to it. Bah! Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna attack is we're gonna get to the headlight assembly. There's many ways you could do this. I think I might just do it one way, but I'll show you a different way. But pretty much we're gonna first get to the headlights, and then we're gonna get these straight away with the LED lights. Alright guys, so the way we're going to get to these headlights is we're just going to do the good old reach around, and we're going to get past this bar here. And we have access to the passenger side of the headlights, and you know, we got the high beam right here, and then we also got the low beam right here. So we'll be able to access it easily on this side, but for this next side we're gonna have to take out the battery here. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the high beams right on this side, and then we got the low beams right on this side. So we're gonna be going for the low beam right now, so let's get to it. So we got low beam bulb out, and the way we're going to take it out is through this tab just right here. Now we got our regular light out. Now we're going to move on to getting the LED in here. Now we got our LED honks getting ready to set up. Now let's get this all together. Go. Now we got our LED light in there. Alright guys, now let's check out, see how we did. Alright guys, let's get these high beams off now. There we go. Got that bad boy out. Now let's do the same thing. Click this bad boy out. Bada bing, bada bing. Now we got the high beams in there. Now let's plug these bad boys up. And there we go guys. Now we got both of the new LED lights in there. Let's check them out. So as you guys can see, the right definitely overpowers more than the left. The left is the regular light bulb and the right is the LED light. And oh my goodness, that bad boy is bright. And then check out this one real quick. That's just a regular looking light. Holy smokes. I definitely recommend this, guys. Now let's get to doing the other side. So we definitely have to take out the battery on the driver's side. Make sure you take off the negative first always. And if you want more information about batteries, definitely check out my video about it. Alright guys, now that we got the battery out, We could get to the bulbs on the driver's side now. As you can see, we have this piece blocking us. There probably is a possibility of taking it out. This is kind of a rot box in a way, but we can still reach around and get to these no problem. So let's get to it. We're gonna start off with getting to the low beam and the high beam afterwards, just like before. So I just wanted to show an after of the lights. So we got the fogs on right now. Now we got the regular lights on, and we got the high beams. So as you can see, there's a big difference. And now it looks like we got some brand new headlights. The question is, how can you be different today? Well, the answer to that is, make sure you stay you. Thank you guys for watching today. Stay tuned for more Corolla content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, Toyota crew.